what I have here is mala, but like the middle spice. I'm usually a mala small level 小辣. This is 中辣, just middle. What? So, yesterday night, I was up until quite late thinking about my unemployment. As you might already know, I'm unemployed. And well, I felt pretty bad about it, pretty terrible. And what other than applying for jobs, what can one do? So that's why I decided that I needed to feel something. Oh no. And I chose a very spicy food, mala. This is not, oh shit, this is not the spiciest level, but it's like up there. It's the middle spice, which is frankly more than I can take on a usual day. But we are here to feel something. Look at the amount of spice coated on the noodles. And as a bit of consolation while I'm eating something that will make me suffer, let's read some unemployment quotes. And hopefully, you know, if you're unemployed as well, we can feel better together. Or worse. I got a quail egg, some sausage, a vegetable, and fish that have like disintegrated, and of course noodles. I really like this combination. The worst feeling in the world is knowing you've been used and lied to. That's not very encouraging. The hardest work in the world is being out of work. I understand the idea of this quote. Not every single broke and unemployed person needs a job. Some need customers. Okay? When you are unemployed, weekends are 7 days long. I agree, in a sense. What do you call a person who is happy on a Monday? Unemployed. Ha 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 ha. I guess the person who wrote this, you know, wasn't unemployed for very long. Okay, this one says, "Dear future, I'm scared." There. This one's a very popular one. An unemployed existence is a worse negation of life than death itself. It's a bit morbid. Getting fired is nature's way of telling you that you had the wrong job in the first place. Okay, I didn't get fired. Alright, I didn't get fired. Maybe I'll go in. Oh, maybe I'll go into it in another video. But I kind of want to put it past me. I didn't get fired. I left. And I wish I could say it like in a cool way. Oh, I left. And now I'm in a much better place. But this one says, "You may be jobless, but never worthless." Thank you. These quotes aren't as encouraging as I thought, so let's just leave it. I'm gonna continue eating this. I'll see you after. This is what I have left. I definitely felt something. Look, I'm the last person that should be giving advice about career or unemployment or employment. But, you know, just keep trying. And well, everyone has different scenarios, right? Because I'm over here thinking that I'm not being picky with my jobs, and I really don't think so. I've applied to so many. I don't think it's called being picky. But there are people who are actually picky. You know, yeah, I'm really not the best person to ask. But just don't give up and try to upskill, level up your skills. I think I'll try to take a course and see what suits me. Just try it. And maybe don't eat extremely spicy food. Oh my gosh. But I think from this unemployment, it was kind of like needed. I don't know. I'm just telling myself things I want to hear, maybe. I don't know. It's just, what choice do I have? It feels like so. Well, I hope there'll be updates soon about this. I'm not thinking very clearly. I somehow rubbed my eye with the chili